Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to quickly add transitions to your videos using DaVinci Resolve 21. So to get started, go ahead and open up a new project, and this is the view that you're most likely going to see. This is the cut tab, and this is where you're going to be making most of your video cuts and timeline arrangements. So once you've imported some media into the media pool at the top left hand side of your screen, go ahead and drag and drop them into your timeline at the bottom. You can import media, by the way, just by dragging and dropping them into this section right here. So let's say I want to add this video and this video into the timeline. You can do so by dragging them into the full timeline view here at the top or here at the bottom if you'd like to make some more finer adjustments to where they are. So now that that's done, we can go ahead and start working on our transition. So one thing to keep in mind when adding transitions is that there usually needs to be some overlap in the two videos. So what does that mean? That means that you're going to want to move one clip over the other just by left clicking it and dragging it. So as you can see here, now there's some overlap between the two clips, and I'm simply going to click on the dissolve transition right here. So as you can see, it adds a cross dissolve transition, which I can just drag around to make sure that I get the desired duration that I want. So now I'm going to go ahead and press play. And as you can see, it's a very seamless cross dissolve transition. So it's really that quick and that easy, and only takes you a few seconds of work. That's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.